Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be removing the door mirror from a Citroen DS3, and in the process we'll also be removing the door trim or door card and the window switch. Please watch the video in full, as you will see why we need to also remove these parts. Starting with the window switch, on the door pull handle section there'll be a little cover which you'll need to remove, and underneath this cover there'll be a Torx screw. Remove the Torx screw, and then using a plastic tool, you do not want to use a metal flat screwdriver as you can damage the switch or the door trim. Lift the back part of the switch first and then pull it backwards and out as the front part of the switch slides in, as you can see. Unplugging the window switch, you'll need to pull on the red section and that will detach the plug. To the bottom of the door trim there'll be two Torx screws. I believe these are T20. Remove both of these screws, and then to the side of the door trim there will also be another two Torx screws. And after this, what's left holding the door trim in place is the clips on the inside of the door trim. Keep in mind these can break. Get in between the door trim and the door panel with a plastic tool and then run your fingers inside and then pull the bottom of the door trim out first, and then you'll need to slide it upwards to remove from the door panel. And I'll quickly show you a trick to putting the door trim back on. Now, as you can see, the clips, those white and yellow ones, make sure they are all there on the door trim side, not door panel side, and put them in position. And then make sure the door handle, open handle, is also in position. And then slide in the top part of the door trim first. And then all that's left to do is make sure the plug for the switch is also in position, and then push it in. You do not want those clips to be on the door side, you want them to be on the door trim as it's easier to fit. If you have found this video helpful so far, please don't forget to subscribe. Going forward, over here, I'm just going to remove the speaker to show you. But this is not what you remove. You'll need to remove the complete bracket with the speaker, which means you'll need to unrivet this bracket as the door mirror plug and cable runs to the side of it and slots into position. And you will see shortly what I mean. So keep this in mind that you'll need to unrivet this bracket. And so these are the cables for the mirror, and with two plugs. Press onto the top of the plugs to detach, and then you'll need to slide this section, as you can see, out like that, and you can't do that with the bracket in place. Remove this clip from here, and then there'll also be another guide for the mirror cable. Now behind this cover here, there'll be only one 13mm nut that you'll need to remove. What's tricky here is the cable and plugs. When you're pulling the mirror out, they get stuck along the way, and it's very hard to show you this while and record at the same time. You'll need to guide this cable with the plugs with your hands, and this can be quite annoying to do. And also keep this in mind if you're going to refit a mirror, because they do get stuck quite easily along the way. You'll need to wriggle it out, and just try all the different positions. As you can see here, it got stuck here. And that's how you remove the door mirror. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to support the channel. And we will see you in our upcoming videos.